What makes Orthopedic Associates Surgical Center unique is that it's single specialty. It's only orthopedics. That's all that we do here. So the whole design was focused on accommodating joint replacement surgery.
Getting my knee replacement with Orthopedic Associates was probably one of the best decisions I've had. Results were incredible.
You want that positive experience with all our patients, not just with Brian. But Brian was very happy, and we had a very successful surgical procedure.
My name is Brian Hartwell. I'm 64 years old. I live in Bristol, Connecticut for about 38 years. Big do-it-yourselfer, house, cars. I take care of a boat. I also have 5 grandkids that I stay active with. It basically started a couple years ago where I did tear a meniscus in my knee. It did get progressively worse, but I could deal with the pain. I'd get about maybe 3 to 4 hours a day out of it, and then I was done.
Most patients in that younger patient group, they're missing out on more of the recreational activities. All those things that are important to that individual to make them whole is gone, and they want that back.
It had been suggested to me, knee replacement. You got to get it done, you got to get it done, but like everything else, we get caught up in life and you keep pushing it off. And I pushed it off to the point where I couldn't function.
Brian had end-stage arthritis of his knee. And so the options were to continue with conservative management or now to proceed with surgical reconstruction with a total knee replacement. Once we make that decision in the office to perform a knee replacement surgery on anybody, specifically Brian, we have now specific protocols established to make it very easy for that patient. We have a nurse navigator that will be calling that patient, and they're really their concierge through the whole episode of care. We provide vast education through webinar, through a web-based app called Force Therapeutics. So the patient is well-informed, well-educated, and not surprised by the process. They do extremely well.
Surgery here at this center really focuses on rapid recovery protocols. We also use technology during surgery like computer navigation or robotics. And that's up to the individual doctor which technology they want to use for that patient's particular surgery.
We actually checked into the surgical center at 8 o'clock in the morning, and I was released at about 3:30 p.m. I was able to actually walk upstairs that night to go to bed by myself with no help from my wife. It worked out that well.
His prognosis is excellent, and the longevity is a 95% success rate at 25 years.
Very excited to have been chosen to have received and earned the advanced certification for total joint replacement surgery. It's really an amazing honor.
The AAAHC certification for joint replacement is a marker of advanced certification in hip or knee replacement. The way that those centers are determined is looking at patient-reported outcomes, patient scores with physical therapy, and things like readmission or complications. And so those numbers have to be very good in order to obtain that certification.
We're only one of 2 in the state of Connecticut and one of 33 in the entire United States where there are over 5,000 surgical centers. And the reason why we were able to earn this honor is because there was an organization-wide commitment to patient care and patient outcomes.
I'm still amazed that you walked into my office with no cane or crutch, or you tell me I have no more pain, doctor. That to me is magnificent.
Now there is no pain. I can go out in the yard and work and not worry about loading up on Tylenol or something like that because there's going to be so much pain. I don't have to worry about that anymore.